Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Les Waller, Financial Independence Now, and as promised, I'm coming back at you with a 7-day update. So we will make this quick, so stick around to the end and you can see the progress we've made. So let's go ahead and start right here on the Twitter page. You can see we've done 38 tweets, we've got 13 followers. Instagram, we have 21 posts and 36 followers. Give you an idea what we're doing here. So some of these have been live, some of these have been made specifically in the square format, as you can see here, so that way they fit perfectly for Instagram, and we did the same thing for Twitter. LinkedIn, no updates. I do post to LinkedIn on my videos as well. Google AdSense, I'm not really seeing anything here that is indicative of anything. A penny. I don't think we had a penny on leswaller.com. But that's not necessarily because of, I can't correlate that with what I've been doing here. Not enough information. If we look at Amazon Associates or my affiliate links, I have 3 landing pages. And so we see here, even this is not necessarily indicative of those landing pages, but it does show there is some activity. We got 22 clicks here. If we look specifically at those pages, if I look at the links, I made some shortcuts to those pages. And if we look here, we can see that they've had 8, 11, and 11 clicks. So I'm guessing that we actually had some people visit those links, and those are from videos, books that I advertised within videos that I made this past week. Next up, this is Financial Independence Now. You can see here 9 videos we've posted so far. And if we go to the analytics, we can see better the type of volume we've had. So we've got 640 minutes of watch time, 205 views, 24 subscribers. Here's a graphical chart that shows that. As you can see here, we've published a video every day. And if we look here, you can see the top videos to date. How to start a YouTube channel is topped at 152. How to make 10K a month is at 119, coming in second. And then over here, this is latest activity within the last 48 hours. And you can see here, one of the most recent ones I published yesterday was design and sell merchandise. And you can see that's actually still being fairly active, as well as how to make 10K a month. If we look at the new Brothers of Steel YouTube channel that is being co-hosted by me and my Canadian friend, I did a live stream last night just for the fun of it, 1 hour live stream, and you can see 252 minutes of watch time. We now have 16 subscribers, 20 views, and even since last night, there have been people who have actually been looking at this video since then. Now, some of this could be brought over from both of our individual gaming channels, but either way, you can see here we have 1/3 of the watch time, and it only took an hour. As opposed to the 8 videos, we come back over here. These 8 or 9 videos to give me 640 minutes of watch time, there's about 40 hours worth of work that's gone into this. First glance, it's like, well, if that's the case, wouldn't you be better off doing a gaming channel? Maybe in the beginning, the gaming channel will grow much more quickly because I have an established gaming channel with 2,500 subscribers, and Hugh has a gaming channel with 10,000 subscribers. Maybe we'll grow quickly to begin with. But I believe that through hard work, persistence, and proper marketing, that this channel, Financial Independence Now, may fall behind initially, but it will outpace Brothers in Steel. TubeBuddy, as you know, we have an affiliate link that we're putting in all of our videos now, and we are up to 24 clicks from the TubeBuddy link that is in the description of my videos. That about does it for the update, ladies and gentlemen. I still have a lot of work to do this weekend. Oh, I can let you know, so with the 3 work from home jobs, we just published that 2 days ago. The user testing, and VIP Kid. So just a quick update on that. I have taken 1 test from user testing. Don't know the results yet. I have turned down I have turned down dozens of tests that I don't qualify for on user testing. U-test, I still have to do a test. They gave me a test to look at a website. I spent several hours on it trying to find the problem. I didn't find the problem, so I still haven't finished that test yet. VipKid, I have done the live demo. I did that earlier tonight, and I'll have a response within 24 hours whether or not we will move forward with getting that job or whether we will be declined. For this weekend, I plan on opening up some affiliate accounts and making some videos and stuff like that, and trying to get, we're really going to be pushing affiliate marketing this weekend. And so we will also put out a video on affiliate marketing, how to make the accounts and how to do stuff like that and get that ball rolling. So we are 1 week in, not a lot of results, but we have been working. You can see the progress we've made. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click the like if you like this video, if you want more updates like this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the next time that I will give you an update will be 3 weeks from tonight. We'll let you know what kind of progress we've made. That will have been after 1 month from starting this channel. Wish me luck. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you wanted to try anything, or if you've tried any of these things, and let me know. Let's get a conversation going. We can help each other out. I have a Facebook page, Facebook group. We have Instagram and Twitter. Make sure you follow me on social media as well, because sometimes YouTube isn't always going to let you know when my video comes out, but we will let you know via Facebook and Twitter. Beep, 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 beep. That's all, folks.